Welcome to the Lifestyle Medicine Update. I'm Dr. James Meschino. Our research topic today is extra virgin olive oil. Studies in 2015 suggest its importance in diabetes, heart disease, and cancer, especially breast cancer. So by now we've all heard that extra virgin olive oil is the vegetable oil of choice when it comes to health promotion. Extra virgin olive oil contains a unique monounsaturated fat known as oleic acid and a number of phenolic compounds which have antioxidant and anti-cancer properties. So the great thing about oleic acid is that unlike polyunsaturated fats found in other oils, seed oils and vegetable oils, oleic acid from olive oil does not promote inflammation, blood stickiness, or rapid cell division that's linked to increased cancer risk. So the year 2015 was a particularly good year for extra virgin olive oil research, as a number of medical and scientific journals published new research showing the potential for extra virgin olive oil to help combat high blood sugar, high cholesterol, and reduce cancer risk. So let me explain some of this research to you. A 2015 Italian study published in the journal Nutrition and Diabetes showed that including 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil with a relatively healthy meal helps to keep blood sugar and LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, lower after the meal. So in this study, here's what they did. The researchers enrolled 25 healthy men and women who consume meals consisting typically of the Mediterranean diet, abundant in fruit and vegetables, grains, and fish was the protein source. Now for one meal, they also consumed an additional 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. For the second meal, the subjects consumed 2 teaspoons of corn oil. Blood tests conducted before the meal and 2 hours after these meals revealed that blood sugar rose after the meals in all participants. That's a normal reaction. But blood sugar rose much less after the individuals consumed the 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil compared to the corn oil. Further, the team observed that after the meals with corn oil, the participants had significantly higher LDL cholesterol levels, which is the bad cholesterol that promotes narrowing of arteries leading to heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular conditions, whereas in the extra virgin olive oil group, you didn't see that rise in LDL cholesterol. So the study authors conclude this. Extra virgin olive oil improves post-meal blood sugar and LDL cholesterol levels, an effect that may account for its anti-atherosclerotic effect of the Mediterranean diet. So, extra virgin olive oil is part of the Mediterranean diet, and we think that might be helping to reduce vascular disease with the inclusion of that olive oil. So another important study in 2015 showed this, that the phenolic compound found in extra virgin olive oil, known as oleocanthal, is effective at destroying many types of cancer cells in laboratory studies. So it's interesting to think that some type of compound in olive oil is killing cancer cells. So this finding actually comes on the heels of another study that was published in the Journal of the American Medical Association showing that women who supplemented their Mediterranean style diet with extra virgin olive oil had a 68% relatively lower risk of developing breast cancer over a 5-year period compared to women in the control group who also followed the Mediterranean style diet, but they didn't supplement with extra virgin olive oil. So although these findings need to be confirmed, evidence really continues to suggest that extra virgin olive oil may help to reduce cancer, and at least one human study now showing a link between extra virgin olive oil consumption and a lower breast cancer risk. Now keep in mind, in that study, the total number of breast cancer cases was only 35, while following over 4,200 Caucasian women for a 5-year period. These women were 60 to 80 years of age. So these findings are important, but they need to be confirmed in future studies. Nevertheless, a growing number of studies published in peer-reviewed scientific journals continue to suggest that using 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil per day is a better choice than using most other vegetable or seed oils when it comes to salad dressings, sautéing vegetables or onions or garlic, or browning chicken, or when you're making pasta or other types of sauces. Remember that only extra virgin olive oil contains an abundance of the phenolic compounds that appear to have anti-cholesterol effects, anti-atherogenic effects, and anti-cancer effects. Olive oil that is not extra virgin olive oil doesn't seem to have nearly the potential from a health promoting standpoint. So I've included a link to the scientific studies below. Okay, think of ways to include 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil per day, and I'll see you next time.